to my channel. It is me, Essie, also known as Essie Define, here today to bring you this hair install, you guys. Oh my God. I am so super excited to share this with you guys. I was a little nervous, but I decided why not, switch it up, give you something different. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me. Now, let's go ahead and get into this look. All right, so I want to share with you a couple of details about this wig. This hair was sent to me by, from Hair by Shinta Brown. This is a 16-inch Spanish curl with a 150% density. Here is the box with all of her social media tags. Make sure you guys check her out. In the box came a tweezer and a rat tail comb, which was very nice. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to go ahead and shade in my cap with some foundation. I did not have a chance to go to the hair supply store to get like a plain cap to bald it. Like that whole balding method was a little too much for me, so I started here with it. So you guys bear with me. This is not like my usual. This is something new for me, and I'm just winging it. All right, so here is the wig, you guys. Excuse the way that it looks. It did not come to me this way. I did pluck the hairline to customize it. So after it dried, this is what it looked like. The wig does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and an adjustable band as well, which was nice because I didn't have to sew in a band. And here I am just putting the wig on and making sure it fits, and making sure that I like the way the hairline looks. Right here you can probably see my cap a little bit. And yeah, I kind of figured like, okay, this is why people do the balding method. But like I said, I didn't have time for that, didn't have the cap for that. So I'm just going to move the cap back a little bit. However, I was really pleased with how the hairline came out, especially for this texture and for the way I knew I wanted to wear it. So right now I am just cutting the ears out. I'm just using a pair of like manicure scissors, which is what I usually use to cut my lashes. And I'm just cutting the ears out just to make sure that the lace fits from ear to ear. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a million times in a million videos, but if you haven't, that's what I'm doing. All right, so I went ahead and cut my hairline off camera. I'm sorry, not my hairline. I cut my lace off camera just to make sure I can cut as close as possible to the hairline without jacking up the lace. And so here I'm just pulling the lace back so that I can go in with my foundation powder to tint the lace. And this is a Maybelline Super Stay powder in the shade Coconut. And I'm just using a Real Technique buffing brush and just going in quite liberally here and just filling in the lace with that shade. All right, now I'm just gonna allow you guys to kind of watch everything that I'm doing. I will list all of the products that I used in this video down below so that you guys have reference. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. I just feel like watching this video is pretty self-explanatory. I will pop back in to explain some parts just because there were some some things along the way that I did that probably weren't the norm of what you see when installs are happening. So I'll pop back in to explain those things to you guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the video. All right, so right here, I'm going back in to trim a little bit more off of the ear. It didn't quite fit, so again, adjust as you need to. I'm one of those people, I'm just really, really careful. And so I make, like when I cut it initially, I don't know that I cut enough, but I always like to make sure I cut just a little bit and leave room to adjust if needed. And so that's just my way of doing it, just to stay safe, because once you cut, you just can't go back. So you guys are going to see me here spraying it and using my blow dryer. And holding down the two tabs, I learned was very important. And it's very helpful, honestly, especially when you're doing this by yourself. So. All right, so right here you're just seeing me use a spray bottle that is filled with water and a little bit of conditioner, and I'm just using this to tame my hair and kind of get it out of the way while my lace melts. All right, so after removing my scarf, my sides were still not down, and this is probably because I did not prep my hair the right way in terms of like making sure it was all the way pushed back. My edges are still natural. So I just went ahead and used a little bit of the Ghost Bond glue that I ordered off of Amazon, which I will leave in the description box below. And I just went ahead and used a little bit of that on each side to glue down my sides. Not that I was going anywhere in the first place, but for the purpose of the video, I wanted to make sure that my sides were laid, and this side worked out really, really well. You guys will see the other side, it was okay, but I didn't really care about it as much because I knew I was wearing my hair pushed over to the side, and like I said, I wasn't going anywhere, so it really didn't matter to me if it was all the way laid. So So overall, this hair was very easy to work with. There was minimal styling needed. All I did was add a few products to the hair, and I will go ahead and leave a list of those products down below in the description box. I was very, very pleased with the outcome of this hair, and the texture was extremely soft. One thing I wish I would have done on camera was to trim the hair. I did not trim the hair on camera. I didn't trim it until after I kind of, you know, stepped back and looked at it. But other than that, this is how it came out, and I will say I am thoroughly enjoying this hair. It is so bomb, so soft, so pretty. Here is the final look, guys. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if I did that, okay? I did that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this. I definitely enjoyed filming this for you. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel at this point, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. Make sure you don't miss any more uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye.